Hello everyone, it's Bubbles and Wombat
It is.
from Aussie Adventures. We have a new place to go today. So today we're going to go to Kalala Beach on location and show you a bit of what Kalala has to offer. So last time, don't forget, we were at the Kalala Bay. This time it's actually at Kalala Beach. And best of both worlds here, because one side you've got Kalala Beach, the other side, which we'll take you to as well, is Myola. So river runs through there and some great fishing and fun to be had.
Sounds like a plan.
Let's go.
Let's go for a walk through the trail, shall we?
Let's do it. And it's still, we're actually in winter now in Australia. We've got through autumn.
It is winter here, so it's quite chilly. Don't let the sunny sun fool you. It is quite chilly.
Not that you can see the sun through here. I love how all these bush tracks come down and you've got that gap at the end where you can just see the water.
Yeah, it's lush.
Usually in summer this is where you start to walk a bit faster along the trail.
Yeah, because the sand's really hot.
Well, not only that too, because you can see the water and you're like, yeah, I'm in. Let's go. Just hearing it, smelling it.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
I love the water. It's definitely my happy place. So today, if you hear any snickering in the background, it would be my fabulous son Jaden.
The window licker.
He is not. So yes, any snickering in the background, it's because we decided to bring the son on location. We'll see if that's a mistake yet.
I think it is already. All right, so as you come out of the little walkway, across the other side there, that's Point Perpendicular. Big lighthouse on it, and we will actually take you out to that at a later date.
And if you actually look to the right,
so this way, which we'll walk down in any minute, that's Huskisson, which you saw in the video last week.
yeah. So we're now on the other side of Lady Denman and everywhere like that.
Exactly. So we'll go for
You know
a
what I
walk.
love about days like this? You got the beach to yourself.
You do.
Look, you could fling a bowling ball up there and not hit a soul.
It's funny because we were at home and I said, shall we take the drone? And she's like, oh, it's really windy. And you get out here and it's not too bad, so.
But as you get down onto the beach side, yeah.
Yeah, now it's a bit breezy, so. Definitely a pretty place.
Oh, beautiful place. And I love it here because, as I said, you can just, if you've had enough of swimming for the day, it's got a bit overcast, you can just put all your swim gear back in the car and go to the other side and have a fish for the afternoon.
Exactly. And the sand here is like super white. I'll take you up, show you how white the sand is. Look at that. Beautiful.
Really is a pretty place.
It is. So, pan out across the water.
See how far it goes around. Look at those cloud formations.
So all of this is still part of Jervis Bay.
Beautiful collections of beaches down here on the south coast.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Absolutely gorgeous.
All right, we'll go for a bit of a walk towards Husky.
I think soon we're going to have to do the new tour on the boats. They do out of Husky there where we showed you a few weeks ago. They do the dolphin watches and the whale watches.
Yes.
They actually do one as well where you go through the hidden caves.
Yeah, that'll be a load of fun. All right, it's quite a long walk, so rather than you Listen to us waffle while we're walking all the way up. We'll press pause and be back in a minute. What have we found along the beach here, Bubbles?
Bit of creativity from the locals, I'm guessing. Made their own little hut there.
How cool is that?
It's really a good way for driftwood and that, do something with it.
It is.
I think that's quite cool.
You know, put some grass on it.
You see a whole heap of things like this on the different beaches.
Gives you some shade out of the sun.
I reckon it's cool. Either you could put some towels up over the side of that, you got a makeshift tent.
Yeah.
Or you could just get one on clearance at Bunnings for $5 and put a pop-up tent.
Yeah, well.
But quicker, just saying.
Yeah. Fair enough. So over there is where the rock platform was when we were out at Husky. You got the swimming pools and stuff like that just over there. Definitely a pretty place.
Really is. It's beautiful. That wind's picking up now.
Yeah. If you're into fishing, it's awesome for fishing. In amongst all that.
Be good out on the opening.
Oh, it'd be brilliant.
I want to fish around about here.
Yeah.
See why? So, there's drop off right over there.
The drop off.
See the dark, see where it goes, the darker water out where them waves are?
Yep.
Just in front.
Yep, I see it.
Where you want to be.
There'd be so many different species out there, wouldn't there?
You'd actually want to be going past that little path and bringing it back over.
Yeah.
Fishing boat coming in.
They pick up some good speed, don't they?
Yeah. It's a load of fun.
See what I mean?
I don't know whether this one's really, it's not really a tidal boat ramp. You'd have to worry about whether it's high or low though, like out at Kalala Bay.
Yeah. It is. Yeah. You do.
It matters a lot more for low tide.
It does matter, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so what we did was we paused, because that's a good half an hour walk from where we were to where we are now.
Yeah, 50 metres my butt, Wombat.
Yeah. So last week you saw us over the other side, over there in Husky. That is where the swimming pool was. That's just over there. Then you've got the dolphin cruise.
We can actually show you a bit further up the channel if we duck through here.
We can. So
It's really pretty in here.
at the beginning part you saw Lady Denman, and the way to get to that is through this little channel. So we'll walk over this side.
So you've really only got to see it from a distance.
Yeah,
At least now we can get right in there.
now we can get closer for you.
Isn't that beautiful though?
So you got all the moored boats down there.
Look at the colour of the water even for winter.
Yeah, it's still beautiful.
I'll tell you what, I wouldn't mind. Hopefully in summer I'll be able to jump in here and get my underwater camera out and get some footage.
Absolutely.
So you can see just not what's on top but what's underneath as well. I'm hoping.
So yeah, down that way is Lady Denman. So when they took that ferry in, that's the way they took it, in through this section here. Came up all the way up through this river and then went in through the back part of it. How cool is that?
So have you actually fished much in here, Jamie?
Would I? Yeah. Haven't fished here before though.
Looks promising though,
Before
doesn't
it
it?
was sanctuary zone, all this.
Yeah. Really lovely place,
It
though.
is. It's pretty, isn't it?
So in that way, you think of it as a family too. If you walk this way, you've got the best of both worlds again, fishing on one side, swimming on the other.
Yeah, well, that's right. I mean, it doesn't get too rough there until the weather's bad.
And you can see the length of the beach, so there's plenty of space for everyone.
Oh, yeah, it goes for miles and miles and miles. Plenty of room for everyone.
I think what we might do now, Mr. Wombat, is we'll pause here and we'll take you to the other side where Myola is.
Sounds like a plan.
Let's go walking again. Alrighty, so now we are on the other side of Kalala Beach, which is Myola. And the men have ditched me because I don't think they want to get their feet wet. Go figure. In comes the little ferry. This little ferry comes in here, picks you up at Myola and takes you across to Huskisson. Why take the car when you can have a river view, hey? Really quiet and peaceful. I think it's pretty cool the ferry comes in.
Yeah.
Picks
You know what I
people
wouldn't
up.
mind doing? Come in here with a boat one day and exploring it.
Mm.
So we can get flatties out of here.
I think we've actually done that in here, have we?
No. I'd love to have a crack at it.
Yeah, absolutely.
Find out where we can fish on the map
Yeah,
and have a crack at wherever.
sounds like a
Look at
plan to
this.
me.
Look at-
It's a gorgeous river,
We've
isn't it?
always fished in the river.
Yeah,
I wouldn't mind having a crack at spots like here.
different locations.
Yeah.
Do you remember the year that we were swimming under the catamaran?
Yeah, I do.
The echo as you'd go through. Woo!
Because I've caught fish here before. When we first moved down here, we fished in here.
Yeah.
And we actually did catch shit.
Pop used to bring you here too.
We're standing off the rocks.
Yeah,
fishing.
Pop brought you here too.
Yeah. You used to get leather jacket here.
See how far we can get around the corner here.
Stand up here. You just gotta be careful because it's high tide.
Yeah,
Coming up to a high tide.
trying my best not to soak my shoes since I need to wear these to work tomorrow.
What's that?
Trying not to soak my shoes.
Yeah. Certainly with the tide,
Yeah,
if you catch it on the wrong end, it just runs too quick.
definitely a spot you got to watch where you put your feet.
Uh-huh.
Not many oysters on the rocks in that though.
No.
Really overcast, isn't it?
Mum, hang on a minute. I didn't know this was here.
Oh, the jetty takes you, the rock formation takes you right to the peak over there.
That's what I'm looking at.
Alright. The mangroves. Yeah, we've never been up this far in here, have we? 'Cause we've
I don't
always
think
been down the other end. But yeah, you'd have to be catching something on this side even.
It's shallow. You'd probably have flathead hanging out in there.
Good breeding ground for the babies though.
Yeah.
Sort of protected in there.
Be off the point, it'd be pretty good.
Yeah.
Like right at that point, that's where I'd be fishing. I'd start at the top and move back down this way.
It's an incoming wombat. You. We're just saying we've never been up this far. To the peak there?
Yeah.
It'd have to be good fishing in there.
You'd think so.
Yeah. But you wouldn't think that the beach is just on the other side of you here, would you?
No.
Because you can't see it from here. All you can see is the river.
Okay. I've lost Bubbles. So it's just us like having a walk. So we walk through this little track. Take you over this little sign. There we go.
We first moved down here, we fished in here.
Yeah.
And caught, we actually did catch you.
Pop used to bring you here too.
We're standing off the rocks.
Yeah,
fishing.
Pop brought you here too.
Yeah. Used to get leather.
Alright.
Not many oysters
through
on the
this
rocks
way.
and that though.
Guess who we found? Big bad Bubbles.
Really overcast, isn't it?
Mum, hang on.
There she is.
What is?
Now what's she been up to?
I didn't know this was here.
Oh, the jetty takes you, the
Good
rock
question.
formation takes
No
you
good,
right
I'd
to the
expect.
peak over there.
That's not what I'm looking at.
Alright.
So you've got Husky Ferry there, which is super cool because we live about maybe 10-15 minutes away from here. So if you want to go over to Huskisson,
Yeah, we've never been up
which
this far
is
in here, have
probably
we?
an
We've
hour,
always been down the
hour and
other
20
end.
minute drive, you can cheat. You just jump on the little ferry and it takes you out the river and takes you over to Huskisson.
It's shallow.
Look how cool is that? Alright, so over that side you've got the beach, and when you spin round this way you've got the river. Best of both worlds.
And you can see here that if you want to go across to Husky for lunch, you can just jump on the local ferry that leaves every hour.
Yeah, how
And
cool
it
is
just takes you across.
Loads of fun.
Not something you see often in the city.
No, definitely not.
But good little service every hour.
Yeah. Alright guys, that is it for us for another week. Hope you've liked that.
Certainly a cold day. You don't really get to see the beautiful colours in the water and the... I suppose everything looks a bit dull today, doesn't it?
Yeah, well, it is the middle of winter, so, you know, beggars can't be choosers.
I think what we'll do is have to come and re-explore in summer.
For sure. Alrighty, that is it from us. So have fun, take care, we will see you in the next one. Bye for now.
See you for the next adventure, guys. Have a fantastic day.